In this video, I'm going to review Louis Navellier's latest special report, the top 3 companies being fast-tracked by President Trump. This is a fascinating report, and I just want to give you an overview of it. So, to give you a bit of background in it, so if you're interested in it and you want to join Louis Navellier's Growth Investor and you think it's right for you, you can try it. I'm also going to give you a little bit of background behind this report before I review it. And also at the end of the video, I'm just going to give you my thoughts on Louis Navellier's Growth Investor, having been a member for about a year. But if at any point you want to join Louis Navellier's Growth Investor, I'll leave a link in the comment description below so you can try it out if it's something you want to try. So, okay, let's get on with the video. So, Louis recently has put out a really interesting presentation. And it's all about, sorry, I've got some notes here. I just want to, so I can keep myself on track. So basically, Trump is creating the MAGA investment fund. Now, this fund's been passed for Executive Order 14196, and he's focusing on 3 specific stocks in this fund. But the whole point and the big idea behind this is to take advantage of the huge, natural resources under everyday Americans' feet. Now, these natural resources are being quietly shoved in the back room under the Biden administration because obviously, Agenda 2013 climate change agenda didn't really, fit with mining natural resources and burning gases and all that kind of stuff, so they're forgotten. But now Trump has come in. He wants to drill, baby, drill. And that is what he's going to do. The whole mining industry in America is going to explode for many reasons, because it's got up to $100 trillion of natural resources under American soil that aren't being taken advantage of. And this amount of money could pay off the US national debt and pay every man, woman, and child in America around about $150,000 each. So Trump is going all in, he's going drill, baby, drill. And this fund has just been launched under Executive Order 14196. And basically, this is what this special report is all about, because you don't need to worry about the fund, because in this report, Louis is sort of telling you about these 3 stocks, specialized stocks that focus on the mining industry in America. Now, the kind of companies we're talking about, there's one company that, specializes in a very special metal that the military really, really need. That's one of the companies being talked about in this special report. The next one is a company that mines copper, and copper is a really, really important metal because obviously America is really going all in on AI. And obviously with all of these AI data centers, they need huge amounts of precious metals, one of them being copper. So copper mining is going to be incredibly important. So rather importing copper from abroad, which is very expensive, America's got huge amounts of copper reserves in mines. So another one of these companies is going to be drilling for copper. Another one is going to be mining gold. And basically, a lot of other precious metals that are absolutely critical to America's success. And also America's got huge amounts of gas, oil, and lithium reserves. Lithium is going to be very important to the AI industry because lithium is the main material behind lithium batteries, and lithium batteries are going to power electric cars. So lithium is an incredibly valuable and important material, and America has huge amounts of reserves of lithium in the ground. But at the moment, virtually all of the lithium in America gets imported from China, but that is going to change under this investment fund. So these 3 companies, very specialized mining companies that President Trump is going all in on. He's greenlighting all of these special projects for them to start mining and drilling. So basically all of the natural resources America has could basically be monetized. America will not only be sustainable, but basically for all of the money that it generates by selling these special materials, trillions of dollars are going to be created and released, meaning that a lot of the national debt can be paid off. So this is a fascinating report. A lot of people are overlooking the mining industry at the moment because everyone is very focused on AI stocks, which is fine. AI is pretty much going to be the biggest industry on the planet in the next couple of years. But the fact is, AI needs a huge amount of precious metals and materials in order to build out these huge data centers and the specialized chips running, all of these powerful supercomputers that run AI models. We're talking semiconductor metals here, lithium, copper, all of that kind of stuff. So this report is very, very important. A lot of the mining companies in America have exploded up to 400% on this news, because that means a huge amount of money is going to be flowing into the mining industry. So according to Louis, these top 3 mining companies are the ones who are going to see the biggest growth, because they're the ones being preferred by President Trump, and he's green-lighting all of their projects to mine within 28 days. We're not talking months or years to get approval to start drilling. We're talking less than, we're talking about a month. So these 3 companies are going to start making trillions of dollars, and hence their stock valuations could go up. And Louis said some of the, sort of stock increases in stock price, some of his companies could be over 400% or more. So it's a fascinating report focusing heavily on America's mining and drilling industries, often overlooked. But Louis thinks under Trump, this industry is going to go absolutely ballistic, because Trump wants to take advantage of natural resources and generate trillions of dollars from mining, but also to be self-sustainable, so stopping importing gas, oil, lithium and other precious metals when they've got them themselves. So yeah, this big industry a lot of people are overlooking. So I give this report 5 out of 5. I know nothing about the mining industry, but these 3 stocks are really, really interesting. So one of my thoughts on growth invest, I've been a member for a year. Louis is very big on tech investing, AI stocks, quantum stocks, but he's also starting to go heavily into sort of natural resources and mining, because this is what Trump wants to do. When he joined office, he said, drill, baby, drill. He wants to use America's natural resources, and Louis picked up on that. He's got a special stock advisory, stock picking tool. When all of the indicators are looking good, he recommends these stocks to his members, and all of these 3 stocks are going green. So it's a fantastic service. If you're interested in AI, quantum stocks, and obviously mining, Louis Navellier's Growth Investor is great. I've invested in a few of Louis stocks, and they are doing really, really well. So I'm very satisfied with the service. I really enjoy it. Give it a 4 out of 5. It's one of the best tech advisory service or stock advisory services out there. Louis got massive reputation in the investing industry, so you're in safe hands with his work. With the service, you get a 60-day money-back guarantee, and you can also join for just $49. That locks your membership in for 1 year. So if you're at all interested in learning about these 3 stocks, AI stocks, quantum stocks, and growing your investment fund, why not give Louis Navellier's Growth Investor a try? So if you want to join, link in the comment description below. Join for $49. That locks your membership in. Sorry, it's not a year, it's just 6 months. And also you get a 60-day money-back guarantee as well. So if you want to join, link in the comment description below. Thanks for joining. Hope you got value from the video, and I'll speak to you soon.